just touched down and made time to spend last night in H-Town and then woke up in New York City. What's it like in Paris lately? Wide awake like the city never sleeps. One too many things I never seen. No place I'd rather be than being in the middle of your life. Dreamed a lot of things that were right around different city names that we can't pronounce till you held us down. No matter where we are, we're looking for you. Love you where we go, reaching your hands while we on the run. All around the world, all around the globe. We love you in a million ways, in a million places. Touched by the shining lights, hearing your voices in every line, crossing every sea, every borderline. We love you in a million ways, in a million places. In a million places, in a million places. Ooh, we love you in a million places. 6 p.m. I'm watching sunset in LA, shooting TikToks on top of the weekend. Switching scenery, so you know I'll be on my way. I'm about to break your boundaries in each and every state, city, and place, just to see the smile in your face. Word up, I had to pick up this name. Hope I remember, I'm still picking my brain. Dreamed a lot of things that were right around city names that we can't pronounce, so you held us down.